Hi, in this video let us see how to download and install Foxit PDF Reader. Open your browser, then go to foxit.com/PDF Reader, and on this page select Download Now. Select your OS version and select your language, then select Free Download. Once the download is completed, open the file, then select Next, accept the agreement and select Next. Select the options whichever you want and select Next. If you want a PDF editor, you can add that as well, else you can skip that. Then click on Install. Click Finish. And that's it. Foxit PDF Reader is installed in your PC. Thanks for watching.